Just another day at the firehouse being EMS. Let me check the new calls. Man falls off a parking garage courthouse near the RC parking garage. What? I gotta go there fast now. Let's go. We gotta turn and get into this garage. There's like a new construction happening over here near the parking garage. Oh no! He's injured. Sir! Sir, are you okay? Sir, can you hear me? Sir, I got you. Giving you CPR. Wait, let me go grab the things out of my car. Let me grab the medic bag. Ugh. I got the medic bag. I'm going to place that right there. Let me go grab the stretcher. Ugh. I got it out. Sir, don't worry. Sir, don't worry. Okay, stay calm. I have to do CPR. Sir, please stay calm. Where is it hurt? Where is it hurt? I gotta heal you. Sir, after I put the bandages on you, I need you to lay down. I need you to lay down. Sir, lay down. Lay down. Now I'm going to grab the stretcher that I'm going to put you on it. Sir, stay there. Okay, I'm going to put you in the ambulance. Let's go. Sir, it'll be fine. Stay calm. No wonder the city's so dead today. Because of this construction. This is the main way where all the cars go through. I mean, I guess it is kind of chilly outside, so everyone is being inside. But I gotta get this man to the hospital that got treated. We gotta go. I gotta get him out. Take out. Sir, you're gonna be alright. You're gonna be alright. Sir, I need you to lay down in this bed, please. Can you lay down in this bed? Okay, stand up. Stand up slowly. Okay, there. I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna go put it back in the ambulance. Okay, stay there. Oh, the stretcher won't fit through. Wait, let me just do this. There. So stay there. I'm coming. Okay, I gotta check your vitals really quick. So I'm just gonna see. Okay, I just gotta patch you up a tiny bit. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And let me just patch you up. Let me just patch you up. Sarah, you'll feel fine. I'll get the doctors to work on your legs. Dispatch, we got a construction worker. He fell off the parking garage doing construction. I got him stable. Sir, what's that noise? Is that your leg, like, hurting a lot? Oh, that must have hurt. Sir, is that your leg twisting? Since if your leg is making that sound whenever you... Sir, don't move it. Don't move it. Don't move it, sir. Don't move it. Okay, just gotta patch you up a little bit more. I gotta check your legs just really quick. Yeah, you look good to me. Okay, sir, this is the medication that's gonna help your legs feel better, okay? It will pain a tiny bit, but just don't worry, okay? Okay, sir, there. You are... Okay, sir, get the paramedics to treat you. Time to just go back outside. Sir, stay there, okay? The paramedics will come and get you. My job is done. If you guys like that video, make sure to subscribe or like this video, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!